bringing classics back. Got that old school spark, new gear, good vibes, lighting up the den. So power up, press play, old is new again. Detroit love in the house, let the games begin.
What up, YouTube? It's your boy Detroit Love with another video. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Detroit Love with another video. And today we're taking it back, way back to the day before smartphones, before texting, before FaceTime. I'm talking about the classic icons of the streets, the malls, the corner stores, and every arcade in the 80s and 90s, the Payphone.
Yo, somebody tell Sal and me he got a call.
Sal.
On me. Pick up your phone, bro. What? Oh, okay. Hey, anybody seen Ellie Fan? Claims she left her wallet in the arcade.
And today, we've got a dope 1/6 scale version that drops perfectly into your RepliCade and New Wave Toys arcade setup, or any 6 scale urban diorama you're building. Before cell phones ruled the world, payphones were lifelines. Back in the day, you hit the payphone to call home after school. If you got that page, you had to find you a payphone to call back. Arcades, malls, bus stations, every spot had that one payphone everyone used. And when you needed a ride, man, you better have at least a quarter in your pocket. Putting a payphone in your diorama instantly pulls into that era's energy, the grit, neon, the arcade life. One thing that makes this piece really shine is how it joins the rest of my 6 scale retro setup. Right next to it, I've got my working 1/6 scale TV set, the one with the classic hanger style antenna, homemade of course. And this isn't just a prop. It actually plays 80s commercials, vintage TV shows, and era correct music videos, giving my diorama that warm CRT glow and real throwback energy. Then over in the corner sits the JVC M90 micro boombox. It's Bluetooth equipped, so I can string actual 80s tracks through it, Run DMC, Ready for the World, LL Cool J, the Gap Band, whatever vibe I'm chasing. The whole room starts to feel alive. And when you add the payphone to that mix, man, it ties the entire scene together. Suddenly, we're back in the 80s. Detroit arcade vibes, neon buzzing, games chiming, music bumping, and that lonely payphone on the wall waiting for the next, yo, come scoop me call.
I'd like to make a collect call.
Hello, how can I help you? Please dial the number you are calling. At the tone, please say your name for the person you are calling.
I'm ready to leave the arcade. Come get me.
Hello?
Bye.
This 6 scale payphone is a solid 3D print with acrylic accents. The finish recreates that classic speckled metallic texture you remember from Balesoft, Ameritech, or whatever city payphone you had back in the day. Now the handset lifts clearly from the cradle, so your figures can make a call in photos or scenes. The receiver connects with a silver nylon rope cord, perfectly scaled, hangs naturally, and photographs well. It captures that look of those rugged steel cords, just miniaturized. So the dimensions for this thing is 4.3 inches tall, 1.6 inches wide, and 1 inch deep. It fits seamlessly with 12-inch figures, RepliCade arcades, Barbie scale dioramas, pretty much any 1/6 scale urban or indoor layout or display. And real quick here, this thing weighs in at 1.61 ounces. The instruction plates, service stickers, keypads, everything is sharply printed and cleanly applied. The paint lines are smooth for a 3D print, and the whole piece looks like a straight up shrink ray job. This thing is display ready out the box. No paint, no glue, no assembly. Just mount it, snap a pic, and watch your whole scene level up instantly. So how you affix it to your scene is totally up to you. I am using this little glue spray because my setup is a paper display. So this spray here works with plastic and paper, so perfect for my setup.
Hey! Somebody pick up! I got a call from Mike Oxmall! Hello? Anybody seen Anita Beth? Your mom said call her back. Hello? Yes, is Phil McCracken in the arcade? Phil! McCracken! Anyone? Attention! Will Hugh Jess please report to the payphone?
So let's talk price. I picked this up on the Etsy website from a vendor called 3D Vault 131. He's also known as 3D Trekker on other sites. So just under $50 with the discount code that he has available, depending on if you have sales tax in your state and what the shipping would be to your location. But for me, just under $50. And is that a fair price? Well, I mean, unless you have a ray gun and access to an old, real payphone, it's all about convenience. What do you want? What's your skill set? Are you able to build this? There's 3D prints out there that people have made at varying sizes and shapes. Whether you want a hood or a stand or freestanding like the one I got, there's a lot of options. So it's all about what you want and what you're willing to do. If you want to put some elbow grease into it, you can save some money. If you want to take time to paint it yourself, but I think this thing worked out really well for my situation. I know Ball and Chain has the one where it has the little yellow book as well within the stand if you have room, and it actually lights up. So that's a totally different product. This here is a simple payphone, no hood, no stand, no yellow pages, and it fits my situation perfectly. So you do you, and hopefully you can enjoy the output like I do. So in closing, if you're building out a RepliCade arcade, a new wave toys display, or chasing that authentic 80s or 90s city vibe, this 1/6 scale payphone is the perfect detail piece. It brings nostalgia, realism, and that classic back when we had to call collect energy.
Yo, who knows Sal Amy? Sal, Amy, you got a call? Hello. Hey, anybody seen Ellie Fan? Ellie Fan, pick up. Your ride's here. This phone got more drama than a soap opera. I need Albino to pick up the payphone. Albino. Yes, you can't hide. Next, just in case. You got an urgent call. I need Albino to pick up.
This is Detroit Love, keeping the retro vibe alive, 1/6 scale accessory at a time. Check out my videos for the stools that we see here and every piece in this setup. Stay tuned for more Diorama essentials, and until next time, I'll see you on the web.
Yeah. Thanks for watching Detroit Love. Don't forget to like, share, and sub. Drop a comment, let us know what you feel. Your voice makes us all more real. So until next time, keep spreading that cred, and I'll see you on the web. Yeah. Ooh.